Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery 4. So from any screen, here we go, you've got audio, phone, nav, home menu. We go on to nav, or if it's on the home menu, you just press it there. So that brings the nav up. Destination entry, there we go, destination entry. Address and postcode, we'll click postcode. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P R 5 4 E A. That's it, PR5 4EA. OK. And then we have to click go there. Click go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.